Hey, this is Pat, and today we're checking out the all-new Shoei SRL3 Mesh Bluetooth comm system. So the SRL line is a Sena-designed line for Shoei-specific helmets, and the SRL3 is the latest entry into the lineup. Now, the SRL3 is a mesh and Bluetooth system, again, powered by Sena, but designed to work specifically with the Shoei NeoTech 3 and the GT Air 3 when that comes to market. And I want to point that out because this comm system is a redesign from the SRL2 and the original SRL, and it will not work with the older NeoTech 2 system. So just keep that in mind. This is designed currently in their line. It's only going to be for the NeoTech 3 and the GT Air 3 as well. Coming in at about $360, it's going to be the equivalent of a Sena 50S or 50R unit. So you're getting mesh, you're getting Bluetooth, you're getting Harman Kardon speakers, and all of that built into a system that can easily integrate into the new line of Shoei helmets. And I really dig this one. I did the install on this. You can see I have it actually already installed on the NeoTech 3 in front of me. It's a relatively easy install. You just gotta follow the instructions and be prepared to tuck wires away, but it does seamlessly meet up with the helmet. You can store the battery into the back of it, and there's routing for the cables all the way throughout the EPS liner, so you can really secure the speakers in, the microphone as well. And I said before, we do have it already installed on the NeoTech 3. On my left, you can go ahead and see it as it comes out of the box. It does look like a rat's nest of wiring, but trust me, once you lay it on top of the helmet upside down, it does all pair up and you can actually put it in there. So just taking a peek at it physically, in the back is where I mentioned that you have that battery system that's actually powered back here, and that's where you're gonna charge it with a USB-C, so it is fast charging. I do like that they've added that feature into the SRL line. The redesign, though, made it much smaller at the side, so you actually get a couple buttons over here. It's a 3-button system to power it on and power it off on the side, and then you also have another portion of the system that just relocates some of the technology so they can keep it slimmer to the opposite side as well. So the NeoTech 3, the GT Air 3, we also saw it with the NeoTech 2 and the GT Air 2, have plates that come stock. You just pop those off. You pop off the battery latch as well, and everything just plugs in. It comes with a tool. Actually, your NeoTech 3 will come with a specific tool in the box that you want to make sure you keep, because you do need that to easily pry off the plates on the side. But again, once you use that tool, they pop off relatively easy. Very secure install. When you're looking at the technology in this one, again, I mentioned it is mesh and Bluetooth. With the mesh, they're using Sena's Mesh 2.0 system. That is a self-healing network. So if anybody in the ride is disconnected, they'll seamlessly come back in. It'll constantly find the best connection for your group ride to make sure it is secure. Now with Sena's mesh technology, especially the 2.0, it's virtually limitless as to how many riders can be in the group conversing. I will say, I don't think anybody's tested the far reaches of that limit, but in private mode, you can max out at about 24 riders in one private group, but when it's open, it's virtually limitless as to how many can join. So just keep that in mind. But it also comes with a Bluetooth feature. So if you're riding with someone who's still using a Bluetooth comm system, the Sena Bluetooth 5.0 technology is still in there. It's up to 4 riders can connect in intercom mode, so you do get that. Distance-wise, though, for both of them is about 1.2 miles for distance from unit to unit. When you're in mesh mode, up to 6 riders can actually get that group to expand all the way out to 5 miles. So again, a very long distance. That's what actually some of these are the, I'll pull this one up right here. These are the antennas for the mesh system to go ahead and add distance into that 5 miles of range with up to 6 riders. You do get the choice of a boom style microphone or a wired microphone. Typically the boom is going to be used in the NeoTech 3, whereas the wired will be used in something like the GT Air 3. You do get the Harman Kardon speakers, as I said, which is a big bonus. Sena has partnered with Harman Kardon to use upgraded HD speakers and HD microphone within their units. So I like that Sena is allowing Shoei to use that within the all-new SRL3 system. But if you have any more questions on this one, go ahead and click that info button. That's going to take you over to the product page where you can read other rider reviews and see what other riders are saying about the all-new SRL3. And if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service. They're all riders, happy to help you get set up with your next comm system. I want to thank you for joining me and checking out the all-new Shoei SRL3 Mesh and Bluetooth comm system. I'm Pat, and I'll see you in the next video.